Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Beauty Wish. I hope you all are doing great. So, as you can see, this is the Nykaa Lux box from the Nykaa Luxury Store. And this is the first time that I'm unboxing this Lux box. And there's a very famous brand which I'm gonna review today. And let's just see which is the brand. And it is Bobbi Brown, guys. Bobbi Brown is like a dream to have in your vanity kit because the products are quite expensive. And I was thinking from a long time to purchase these products because Nykaa has such wonderful offers that it makes possible for everyone to purchase like the brand that are out of our reach. And let me tell you something about Bobbi Brown first. So Bobbi Brown is actually a very renowned makeup artist globally, and she launched her own beauty line, her own cosmetic products in 1991, which later got taken over by Estee Lauder in 1995. So let's quickly start the review of the product. The first product I'm having in my hand is Bobbi Brown Hydrating Face Cream, Cream Visage Hydrante. So as the name suggests, this is the hydrating face cream from Bobbi Brown. And I was, it's these all products are actually mini versions because Nykaa was running a really wonderful offer in which you are getting all the minis from the Bobbi Brown range. And I think it's not a thing to miss, not a thing to miss it up. So let's see the face cream or what. Yeah, this is hydrating face cream. Yeah. So let's try it out. So this is how the packaging looks. It's an acrylic round, it's not a glass bottle, guys. So see, I'll apply it like this. Let's see. Oh my god, this is amazing, guys. Amazing texture. Can you see already the shine is giving to my hand? This is actually making my skin soft and supple, and there's no smell, there's no fragrance. It is absolutely fragrance free. And see my hand, you can actually see the difference. And I think it can become an amazing face base before applying makeup. It's looking great, guys. This is amazing. It has done wonders to my hands. It like I'm actually feeling the softness in my hand, guys. It's actually making my hand really soft and supple. You can see the difference already. See the difference in this hand, and this one. It's actually shining, and this is a bit rough comparing to this one. It's amazing, guys. So my review would be like this: as the like it can become an amazing primer before applying makeup, and it's an amazing face cream. It brightens your face, and it is good for sensitive skin. As the name suggests, it actually hydrates your face, and it intensely hydrates your face, if we say truly, because it doesn't give you feeling of stickiness or chappedness. It doesn't make your face chapped, and it moisturizes and hydrates your face easily. It can be used as a face primer or a pre-makeup face base for easy application of foundation. And I think it will give you a soft toned and supple skin. And um, I think it will last all day long because I can feel the quality of this, guys. It is an amazing hydrating face cream. So that's it. It's about the face cream. Now let's quickly move over to the other products. By the way, there's a thank you note from the Nykaa Lux store, which always come when I ordered MAC. Also, there was a thank you note. We are thrilled you choose to shop with us. We hope you love your experience. Absolutely, love you, Nykaa. Now, after this, we have uh, the lip shade in Crush Lip Color Babe. So this is the shade Babe from Bobbi Brown. Oh my god, it's such a pretty color. Let's see the swatch of it. Amazing. See the swatch. Can you see the shine already? It's actually moisturizing, guys. It's actually moisturizing my hand. I can feel the moisturization. Some of the products in Bobbi Brown I have used, and I want to review that to you. One of them is this Bobbi Brown color Babe, and I want to give you a review about this. Bobbi Brown Crush Liquid, not a liquid lipstick. This is a proper lipstick. So it has 14 shades, and I have Babe with me, and it's a pretty pink nude tone shade. The shade has a glossy and moisturizing formula, as you can see, and it does not chap your lips, and it does not give you a feeling of stickiness. It's very comfortable on your lips, and you have to reapply them as they are not matte formula, and there's no smell at all. These are absolutely fragrance free, but the color payoff is amazing, guys. It actually rejuvenates and condition your lips, and the quality is awesome. The quality is really awesome. And if I have to say a negative thing about this, there is only one thing, that these are not lasting, not long lasting, and easily transfers, and they are not smudge proof also, because the formula is so glossy and moisturizing. It's actually formulated to make you feel comfortable in your lipstick. So as you can see, the quality is visible. This is an amazing color, guys. See, Babe color crushed lipstick by Bobbi Brown. Crush lip color Babe. I hope you guys can see this, right? Okay. So this is next shade, Bobbi Brown Crush Lip Color in the shade Ruby, and let's open. So these all are mini products, guys. As I have told you in the beginning of this video, that Nykaa was running a wonderful offer for the Bobbi Brown minis, and I think the offers on minis are great. Actually, if you want to purchase a full size product, actually it is a good thing to first use the mini version of it and then buy the full size product, because it budget friendly also, and also you can see whether the product suits you or not. So the shade I'm having in my hand is Ruby in Crush Lip Color. This is a beautiful deep red shade, guys, and let me give you a swatch of this. Again, it's very moisturizing. Can you see the swatch? It's a really moisturizing formula. See, it's not a deep red, guys. It's kind of a mix of brown and red and bit of nude, and it's providing me amazing moisturization, guys. I have also applied it. I have applied the lipstick shades, and then only I'm giving you the review. So see the product. So a very sweet subtle red color, Ruby, which gives you feeling of deep red, but it's not. It's actually a nude red color, and it's highly pigmented. You know, when you are a lipstick lover, you can easily make out that lip color is pigmented or not. And I can tell you, Bobbi Brown is an amazing brand because of this quality only. I can feel the quality of the lip colors, and it's highly pigmented, guys. Very, very lightweight formula. It's really hydrating, and it's absolutely comfortable on your lips. I have already applied it myself, and the whole day I have applied it, but only con is that they you need to reapply these lipsticks, and they last about almost just 1 or 2 hours, not 1 hour exactly, 2 to 3 hours you can say. And because they are not matte, they are not matte at all. and these are meant to be comfortable on your lips. And I think if the lipstick quality is this good, then there's no harm in reapplying. Happily we can reapply this beautiful shade and this comfortable lipstick on our lips. And secondly, one best thing about these lipsticks are that these are they are free from chemicals like sulfates, parabens, and phthalates. They are free from them. So what else do you want, guys? This is an amazing lip color from Robbie Brown, and it gives you an icy glossy sheen and really sheen finish to your lips. I mean, they are really good. So this is in the shade Ruby. So amazing colors from Bobbi Brown. Now the color I'm holding, this is such a cute bottle, such a cute liquid lip color in my hand. I mean, I ordered a mini version, but it would be this mini that I didn't thought about. So this is really cute. This is in the shade Smoothie Mauve. Actually, it's written Smoothie Move. See, Smoothie Move, and this is from Bobbi Brown liquid lip range. And quickly put the swatch of this. See guys, I'm putting the swatch of Smoothie Move, and it's awesome guys. Can you see? So this is amazing guys. Can you see the already the glossiness in my hand of the Smoothie Move color? Such a cute bottle and such a brilliant thing in this cute bottle. Smoothie Move color, amazing color payoff, highly pigmented, amazing liquid lip color formula. So this is Smoothie Mauve. I can you can see the swatch of it. It's a nude mauvish kind of color. It's I mean it will look super good on your lips. I have applied it this color also. Before giving you review, I have to apply the shades myself to give you an honest review. So this looks really good when you apply. If you're a gloss lover, you will surely love this. If you are a liquid lipstick lover, then also you will love it because it has amazing color payoff guys. Your lips will actually shine when you will wear this formula, and it actually comfortable on your lips and makes your lips look super awesome, super cool, and glossy and super moist. So this is amazing formula guys, Smoothie Move, and from liquid lip range of Bobbi Brown. Go for it guys. All the colors I'm having in my hand are amazing. See, the thing I was telling you, the only con is that they are not long lasting. They will not last all day long because you can see the thing on my hand. The first color I have applied, this one babe has already got rubbed off from my cardigan sleeve. Easily it can be, transferred. And second color is Ruby. It leaves a stain, guys, after it is removed too. And this one is Smoothie Move color from the liquid lip range of Bobbi Brown. So these are the reviews of the lipstick. Now quickly let's review the mascara. So guys, I'm holding my favorite product from Bobbi Brown range, that is Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. Guys, what an amazing product, guys. I have never across such a wonderful mascara ever. I'm telling you really because I have applied it myself. I'm sure definitely you guys will love it because it's an amazing mascara. It adds volume and give boost to the eyelashes instantly. I mean, when you will apply this mascara, now you can actually feel the difference in this and the other mascaras that you have ever used. So I applied it yesterday, and I wanted to go somewhere. So it was actually it stayed whole day, and I actually the lashes are actually lightweight. Whenever I used to apply mascara from a different brand, my lashes used to feel heavier, plus they used to be clumpy and they smudged a lot. But this mascara, it does not smudge or clump the eyelashes. It dries up quickly, and plus it adds volume and give boost to the eyelashes. One more good thing is that it's a waterproof mascara, as name suggests. It makes your as name suggests that it makes your eyes smoky and give you an amazing smoky eye makeup look. And you will look more glam after you apply this mascara. And you just need to apply two or more coats, and easily without any fuss, to give you amazing eye look. Here, like, if you want me to show you the swatch of this mascara, I can show you. See the thing, how beautifully it came out, you know and see the thing here. It doesn't clumps or do anything. It's an amazing mascara, guys. See, I just love this mascara. I'm actually telling you, I put it from the wrong side, but I have applied it myself, guys. Amazing smoky eye mascara. Mascara Regard Intense from Bobbi Brown. Amazing, guys. Please go for it. It's in the color black. It's a mini version of the mascara, 3 ml, and I highly recommend you this mascara. At least try it once. Try the mini versions like me, because that is a wonderful thing to try mini products first and then go for the full size product later. And Nykaa has also given me some sachets from Bobbi Brown. This is what is this? Yeah, the enriched face base and a liquid oil. I read it. Liquid, yeah, face cream. So I have liquid vitamin face base enriched, and this is a liquid of remover kind of thing. Let me read it. Soothing cleansing oil. Soothing cleansing oil from Bobbi Brown. I can just remove it in front of you. So guys, I have opened this sachet of Bobbi Brown cleansing oil, and I have applied it here. And I think it would be a great product for removing your makeup, and the quality is absolutely good. And the thing is that it actually evens your skin tone. There's not much stickiness, not that less stickiness. I mean, that is not sticky, proper in liquid form, and you can see the drop coming out of it. Just see the drop coming out of it. So it is in this liquid form, and Nykaa has given me the sachet of this product, Bobbi Brown cleansing oil. So next product that I'm gonna see here is vitamin enriched face base. The earlier product that I reviewed was vitamin not vitamin cream, but a hydrating face cream from Bobbi Brown. And then now the sachet that I have received from my products is vitamin enriched face base. And guys, you know I just love this. I just applied a small drop of it here. Its consistency is thicker than the face hydrant cream, and it actually gives a glow to my skin instantly. Let me just give you a glimpse of it. See the consistency of this, guys. The cream consistency is thick, and see, when I'll apply it, see guys, I have applied this, and it has an amazing consistency. You can see the glow I'm getting after this, and how smooth my hand has become. I have to buy another product from Bobbi Brown. This has to be this, guys. Vitamin enriched face base, Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. And I'm just I'm in love with this product with a few drops only. With this few drops, because I can actually feel the quality and the suppleness it is giving to my hand. It you know how gorgeous it will look if will I'll make apply the makeup. Before makeup, I guess I have to apply this to give an amazing look to my makeup. So guys, I have also received this shade card from Bobbi Brown, as you can see here, and they have given this shade card to choose your foundation. And Bobbi Brown has an amazing foundation, which is long wear weightless foundation with SPF 15, and it's a very famous foundation. And they have given beautifully the shade cards here, like you can choose accordingly to your shade, and see what an amazing process they have done here. See, there's a beach shade here. Second shade is the natural here, N052 number. See, I'll peel it. Oh god, it's really hard to peel it. See, this is the shade. I have to apply this to show you guys. See if it's my shade or not. Let's see. Yeah, amazing shade. Can you see the difference here and here? You can actually see the difference, right? So it's a natural shade, N052. All the shades are here. Natural tan, warm natural, honey, warm honey. All the shades are here. I think the darker one would be warm honey. So I have lifted all the colors, all the shades of Bobbi Brown, 6 of them. So this is warm natural, and this is how it looks. Honey and warm honey, natural tan, and natural and warm beige. So I guess my color would be natural, as I'm seeing here. Natural tan would be darker for me. Plus all the colors are really wonderful, guys. You know, if I would choose this warm honey shade, for instance, see, I'll apply this here. See, oh my god, this has amazing color payoff. You know, I can actually feel the quality on my hand. See, it's a bit darker for my skin tone, but the color, guys, you know, I'm actually touching it in my one finger, and I can actually feel the awesomeness of this foundation in one go. This is amazing, guys. You know, we have to give it a try once. And amazing shade card. Thank you, Nika, for giving me this an amazing shade card with Bobbi Brown Skin True Undertone Correct shade card. It is written here, it is expertly calibrated to your undertone to even out and correct the complexion for a fresh, healthy look that lasts. Amazing, guys. Bobbi Brown has some amazing product, guys. So that are really, really wonderful. And so these are some wonderful products of Bobbi Brown that today I have reviewed with you guys, and I'm in love with the products, guys. You can actually see the excitement I was having while reviewing these products. And my favorite would be this mascara, of course, number one. And you know, surprisingly, the vitamin enriched face base that I'm in love with, it has an amazing texture, guys. My next product, if a lovely offer would be going around in Nika, I would quickly purchase this one, vitamin enriched face base. Lipsticks are really good if you are someone who love to wear moisturizing lipstick that are comfortable on your lips. These are the lipsticks for you guys. Amazing formula, amazing moisturization, very comfortable on your lips. Plus the Bobbi Brown Hydrant Cream, face base hydrating face cream, as it is written here. Amazing cream for a good moisturization. And the liquid oil that I have said, that guys, I have just opened it in front of you and applied few drops of liquid oil. If you are someone with really dry skin, I think you should go for this, because an amazing oil with a really light smell, and you can surely go for this. So these are the products from Bobbi Brown, and I hope you guys like the video. Kindly tell me in the comments, how do you like the video? And also please like, share and subscribe my channel and motivate me to make more videos, that I make so much of love for you guys. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I hope you have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.